This is a 1966 Mustang. It was originally a 6-cylinder car. Came into my family in the early 90s. It was my daily driver for about 10 years. I converted it over to V8. It's now got a 65 289 engine. It sat for about 10 years and I picked it up recently as a Resto Mod project car. This channel will cover the different projects I've done, which include a new fuel system, including Holley Sniper EFI, a hydraulic clutch with a hydraulic throwout bearing, and a TKO 600 transmission, vintage air AC, Caltrex traction bars, a Holley digital dash 7-inch screen, a master cylinder out of a 94-95 Mustang. Upcoming projects include a Global West coil-over front suspension system. If you have any questions about the projects I've done, or questions about the car in general, please let me know in the comments below.